Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to talk about Realme C15. So before I start, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So jump to the video. So first of all, I'm doing unboxing. As you can see, Realme C15 massive box, fully yellow color, and as you can see this model name. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon editions. It has MediaTek edition also. So it has massive battery, 6000 mAh battery, and in this bag here is some main feature I will talk later. So let's unbox it with my little knife. So just pull out the box, and first of all get an envelope welcoming. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. SIM eject tool, then a silicone cover with some paperwork, and main device. It is massive and heavy, so I will talk later. Then check out what inside. So we got power adapter. It is 18-watt quick charger, so it will charge your mobile fast. Then a USB data cables, which is micro USB, which is disappointing because it is 2021 and all new mobile brands provide USB Type-C cable. So let's talk about the main device. It has two color variant. One is power silver, and on my hand is power blue, matte finish, plastic body. In right side, as you can see, volume rocker and power key. In this bottom side, as you can see, speaker and micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and two microphone port. Surprisingly, 3.5mm jack. And in this left side, as you can see, SIM tray. It is hybrid. You can use 2 nano SIM with expandable memory, so you can expand more memory, which is good options. And it has 13 megapixel AI quad camera setup, and main camera is 13 megapixel, primary camera 2.2 aperture, and second one is 2 megapixel BMW lens, and another one is ultra wide angle lens, which is point of view of 119. Last one is 2 megapixel retro lens, and its video recording support full HD, so you can record 1080p 30 frames per second video recording. And it has 8 megapixel AI selfie camera, which is 2.0 aperture. Let's talk about display. Display is LCD multitask display, which is HD resolutions, which is good in budget segment. Display size is 6.5, which is big display, and waterproof notch, and it is Corning Gorilla Glass, but I don't know which version is it. And it is brightness level is 600 nits, which is good option to use outdoor. Let's talk about performance. So it has Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor, which is very old, but in this budget it's okay to have. And it has Adreno 610 GPU. It is not a gaming phone, but I play some of games, but it's having lag, but it is okay to day-to-day user. Surprisingly, it has face lock for security, and also has fingerprint sensor, which is very quick and work instantly. Very appreciated in this budget. So overall, this mobile is perfect for who not use that much applications, only multimedia and social media, watching some YouTube video. And also its 6000 mAh battery gives you almost 2-3 days backup. And also it support reverse charge, so you can use as a power bank to charge another phone. So that's all about. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you next.